Hi, I'd like to quickly show you around the inside of MentorPro and the education section of the curriculum. Here in the dashboard, annual and lifetime members can grab their bonuses and their free call with a mentor. You also have other options for private coaching. We do run our own managed funds, the trading psychology section. You can download a free copy of MetaTrader MT4 trading software from our recommended broker or one of your own choosing, books that we recommend, and some recommended products. From the menu at the top of the page, you can access all other areas. If you go to the home page, you'll see the 3 latest blog posts. Every trading day, we tell you in advance what we're looking to trade and why, using the systems and strategies that we teach. And we have the My section for M2 analysis, Pierre's Earth and Sky, we have fundamental analysis, and Rich Friesen's trading psychology blog. There is a fundamental section where we explain the background to currency pairs and particularly the majors, what is driving the price. If you then go to the education area and click on Start Here, in this section I show you how I personally went from being a losing trader in 2004 to trading for a fund by 2006 and have since gone on to run my own funds. If you're a complete newbie, then there is a Rookie's Corner with dozens of videos explaining everything from a candlestick to a full strategy, how to set up your free trading software, and a basic simple trend trading strategy. In Pierre's Earth and Sky trading system area, he will show you an introduction to his strategy, how to set it up, how to use the software and the templates, risk management, and if you want to work with Pierre on a one-to-one basis. Then if you go to my M2 strategy, once again I explain the basics. We build it up from a bare template. I show you what I do every week and how I analyze and plan the trades for the week ahead. And there's also some examples of live trades that we took that made lots and lots of pips. In the fundamentals section, there is a mini course on how to understand what is driving prices, and this is updated every week, where we explain to you what's going on and how it's likely to affect currency prices. Rich Friesen's trading psychology, which is a lot of fun, and lots of live sessions we've recorded and put into here. And we do a live training sessions every week, and some recordings of the more important ones are kept here, and then all the ones from June last year through to December and starting again in 2019. Final things that you can access: the forum, which we're just rebuilding at the moment, but in there you can access and talk with Pierre, who is my trading partner, and he helps me to run our fund, and he is available every trading day along with other senior members to help you. If you have any questions at all, you can ask him, you can ask in the live training session, or you can submit a ticket via the help desk. If you have any more questions, email us at support@forexmentorpro.com. If you'd like to try out our service, all you need to do is scroll a little further down the page and you have 3 options. You can join us monthly, annual, or lifetime. Every level has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. The annual membership, you save yourself 65%, and if you prefer to pay as a one-off, we first started this in 2012, so I'm guessing people who paid us back then, it cost them about $1 a week. We've been teaching people online for 10 years now. We have a 5-star reputation on independent review sites, and we have a lot of experience dealing with people who are complete beginners through to intermediate levels, and also experienced traders looking to improve their performance. I wish you the best of luck, whatever you decide to do. Catch you later.